Driving an electric vehicle is all fun and games until this happens. Lights not working, horn stopped working, ECU issues, but somehow I still love riding this thing. So after riding this EV bike for the last couple of months, here's the truth. Not the sponsored version, not the fanboy version, just the real pros and real problems. First, running cost. Compared to petrol bikes, this thing is insanely cheap. No fuel station visits every few days, just charge and ride. Second, instant torque. No gears, no clutch, just twist and go. In city traffic, EV bikes actually feel really quick. But now, let's talk about the frustrating part. The biggest issue I faced was the motor problem. And when something goes wrong with an EV, it's not just a quick roadside fix. Sometimes the bike feels unpredictable. Then came the electrical issues. Lights stopped working, horn stopped working. Not dangerous during daytime, but at night, that's serious. This is where EV bikes still need improvement. Service centers are limited, parts can take time, and not every mechanic understands EV systems properly yet. So, do I regret buying an EV bike? No. EV bikes feel like the future. But for now, the future still has bugs. Every technology goes through this phase. And despite the issues, every time I ride this bike, it feels special. If you own an EV bike too, tell me the experience in the comments. Good or bad, I want the real stories.